development, facilitating women's livelihood development and resilience with ICTs. This is a very vital project. Not only does it support women's economic participation, it also serves to catalyze the economic growth of the Asia-Pacific region. With that, I would like to warmly congratulate Chinese Taipei for leading this project and for the successful implementation of Phase 1 and now through Phase 2. ICT is indeed an important tool in addressing barriers to women's economic empowerment as identified in the 2012 APEC Women and the Economy Forum in St. Petersburg, Russia. As we all know, technology continues to evolve. The research and consulting firm Gartner describes that technology has given birth to a nexus of forces. That's the cloud, social media, big data, and mobility. These forces have changed the way people behave. This nexus of forces has opened a new set of rules, consequently, a new set of opportunities and challenges in the way women do business. Connectivity has never become so real as 24/7. Information has become much more accessible.